Today we are going to do some experiments with the juice of leaves and flowers. The things you need are scissors, a plastic bag, leaves and flowers, cups and vinegar. Put some leaves into the plastic bag and add a little water. Knead the bag well so the juice comes out of the leaves. When you get enough juice, snip off a corner and drain the liquid into the cups. If this does not work out well, you can blend the leaves. You can use this liquid as paint or dye. If you take liquid from a blue flower and add a little vinegar, it will turn purple. Thank you.